निकाला ना आगे गाड़ी क्या जी इधर ये गाना ये क्या
What's up?
गार्ड की गार्ड आगे निर्देशन के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान। गार्ड बगल शट संतरी खड़ा रहे। गार्ड सर्जन
Please.
स्पेशियल है
Special side, but lacks the books.
तो धीरे धीरे आप लोगों को करना पड़ेगा। आपका ये आईआर वगैरह तो है
सर इसका टाइम नया कुछ
नए कौन जरूरी है सर ला तो चेंज हुआ सोमवार को एक मंगलवार को दूसरा
की जरूरत है
ऑनलाइन पार्सलिंग के लिए नेट नहीं होता कुछ नहीं होता ऑनलाइन हुई है नहीं सकती ले नहीं सकते बुक्स
धीरे धीरे डेवलप हो जाएगी। बहुत बढ़िया आपका मार्कर है। मैं तो इतनी जगह गया इससे अच्छा कहीं नहीं है।
provided us with all these funds and other things.
के पास सोर्सेस हैं, वो जाएंगे एसी में कहीं रहेंगे, हमें कहाँ में हमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की शॉर्टेज है, बाकी की जेब से अपने फर्ज ज्यादा हमें दे दिए, कम से कम हमें थोड़ा फायदा होगा।
देखो ये है एड की वो सी पोर्ट वगैरह बाकी चीज हमारा तो यहाँ से कोई देखने भी नहीं आता है। So
इसके अपने एडवांटेज है।
that's true sir, but in development side we have some discrimination. वो तो नेचुरल, वो तो सर नेचर का है।
वो ऐसे ही कन्याकुमारी का एक डिफरेंट नेचर है।
नहीं सर, हम कहते हैं इस हिसाब से कि नजर जब पड़ती है एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की नजर या इसकी गवर्नमेंट की नजर वो बहुत कम पड़ती है। जनरली सिटी में उनकी नजर रहती है, टाउन्स में रहती है।
भाई इट इज ए डिस्ट्रिक्ट तो टाउन तो है ही है, बट इट इज वेरी रिमोटली सिचुएटेड।
वही दरअसल मेरा काम यही बात यही कह रहा था कि वी आर फॉर अवे।
इंटरनेट वगैरह की सुविधा कैसी है?
वो वेरी वीक
पुअर है सर,
वेरी वीक
पुअर है। नहीं मतलब बीच बीच में डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है। Just what we had during the COVID-19, sir, we had prepared a help desk and we had received 214 calls of distress with respect to food, with respect to vaccination, with respect to the scarcity of food. We had distributed them with the help of district administration and with the help of some civil non-governmental organizations. We have 2 orphanages lodged I have visited both of them.
How many PLVs are there?
I have Lordship 21 PLVs.
They are getting their
Yes,
remuneration.
Lordship, they are getting 10 days per month, as per the new.
Are they getting the salary or
Yes.
just the area?
No, Lordship, they are getting the wages on time.
On time.
Yes, Lordship.
ये आपकी जो है बहुत मदद की जरूरत रहती है।
Always, sir. We are always at the disposal.
That's we have assistant.
डिस्ट्रिक्ट जेल वेल भी है कि नहीं?
Yes, district.
जेल
And we are
सुप्रिंटेंडेंट
regular visits to the district jail.
आप जाते हैं?
Regular visits where they are to the cases.
यहाँ कितनी कैपेसिटी है जेल की?
Lordship, we have 170, but presently there are 234.
ओवर
It is work.
सर हमने उसमें एक सब्जेक्ट भी नॉमिनेट की है
And recently we have
Please.
Your Lordship, the Chief Justice, Justice Shri Pankaj Mittal, Lordship, Justice Shri Vinod Chatterjee, Chief Justice, Honorable Deputy Commissioner Kupwara, and our very own Principal District Judge Kupwara.
Of my heart and on behalf of the entire bar fraternity, welcome Lord Chief Justice and Justice Banerjee for coming to this remote district. Coming to this remote district. Though we have been we were treated very kindly by our administrative judge, Mr. Vinod Chatterjee. He has not only come once, it is the third time when he has visited this remote district. Earlier, to me, it used to take decades when any from the family of judiciary, the higher ups used to come to this remote district. We being residents of a remote district and at the remote corner of the state of UT of Jammu and Kashmir, are very lucky to see the judicial officers who take keen interest in the welfare and in the upliftment of the advocates' fraternity. And presently, within 2 years, 3-4 times, the Justice Magare and earlier it was Mr. Abdul Rashid Dar, then Justice. They also came here within a short period of time, though we are trapped in a very heinous epidemic, which is all over at this time. And in these times, when every soul is confined into their dwellings, to make an effort to come to this remote district, it is highly taken by the Bar Association of Kupwara, and with a core of heart, they welcome the dignitaries, these guests. They have made an effort to come here, and also we are thankful to our. They have also made the efforts that even if I cannot say miseries from the center, and sometimes we are missed to be
Best to grace the occasion for inauguration of this bar room, library, as well as 2 courts situated at Karalapura and Pehlon. Mr. President was saying that we are far off. You may be far off from Srinagar, but you are nearer to our heart. it is a beautiful place. Kupwara is a beautiful place, and it is my third visit. It is because I like the advocates of this district as well as the place, and we are trying to our best to mitigate the sufferings, and whatever we can do within our limits, that will be done for the welfare of the advocates. Yes, I may thank all of you for welcoming the Honorable Chief Justice and the other dignitaries. Thank you very much.
Far off, distance-wise, but closer to heart, today couldn't bring any more happiness to us. Now, I would again like to thank your lordships for gracing the occasion, and I also am thankful for all other dignitaries for being part of this occasion. Thank you.
My esteemed brother Justice Kaul, Registrar General, my Secretary, Sri Rajiv Gupta, Mr. Taslim Arif, District Judge Kupwara, Mr. DC Kupwara, President Bar Association, District Kupwara, and other young advocates present, ladies and gentlemen. Inauguration of the Bar Association or the library, that was not so important for me. I came here to meet the judicial officers and the lawyers. That was the primary object for which I came to this remote area. When my brother Justice Kaul requested me that these two things have to be inaugurated, I readily accepted his invitation, not for the purposes of inauguration, but to see in what conditions you people are working. And I'm proud to say that the Bar Association has a lovely Bar Association hall. It is well equipped, and with the help of the Deputy Commissioner, it will be more electricity and everything. Other amenities will also be provided. Your new building complex is also under construction. There are certain glitches in its implementation in carrying out the construction work, and I assure you that I will try to resolve them so that very soon the construction is completed. I have been informed that there are no posting of officers in the remote areas. That is a difficult situation because we are short of officers. But slowly we can also cater to this, and as far as possible we will try to meet out and provide more officers to the district. And as my brother said, the area may be quite remote distance-wise, but you are closer to the heart of everyone in the territory. And this sums up everything. Nothing better can be said than that you are closer to the heart. Thank you very much.
All of the dignitaries, especially Secretary Sahib, has helped us a lot. Strategy has helped a lot in giving us the best team of judges. But on behalf of my Bar Association Handwara, I request you to give me just today date when Your Honor will visit Handwara, and you will listen our miseries and everything, and what Your Honor has given us the best judges, best team of judges. We want to thank you, but at Handwara. This is Kupwara is our bar. We are one and the same bar.
Kupwara is part of Kupwara.
Yes, we are part of Kupwara. I have no view. But I want the Bar Association Handwara is just going to move. Sir, please listen to me. Bar Association Handwara is going to no control motion against me because that since very long time only Justice Administrative Judge has come once there and nobody has come there. So I want there just now. If your Honor will not give me there, I will not be able to go to Handwara.
We will give you a date.
No, within
Not today, not just now.
no, within week's time I must be convicted there. Huh? Within week's time. I must be given it.
Honorable His Lordship of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court.
sir, thoda sa, please.
I request all the people to stand up on their feet along with dignitaries. And I also welcome Honorable
चेंबर यहाँ ऑफिसर पोस्टेड है you live at Kupwara or you live here only? Kupwara. Every day you come in. How many cases?
Sessions Judge Kupwara and all the dignified dignitaries and the galaxy of radiant welcome you and all dignitaries for being here to inaugurate under the chair of worthy Deputy Commissioner Kupwara and
मोहम्मद अशरफ मीर साहब ने कहा था कि ये कोर्ट यहाँ बड़ी देर से बनी है, तो इनसे हमने वादा किया था कि हम एक हफ्ते के अंदर अंदर इसको इनाग्रेट करेंगे। तो मैंने अपने चीफ जस्टिस साहब से रिक्वेस्ट की, तो वो खुशी से उन्होंने माना। ये उनका ये था शौक कि मैं यहाँ के, एक तो मेन था उनका कि यहाँ के लोग, यहाँ के एडवोकेट से वो मिले। तो उसी सिलसिले में उन्होंने हमारी रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्ट करके तो हम यहाँ पे आज आए हैं। ये खुशी का मौका है कि आपकी ये बड़ी देर से ये पेंडिंग थी ये डिमांड कि यहाँ का कोर्ट फंक्शनल हो जाए। इसमें डिप्टी कमिश्नर साहब का भी काफ़ी रोल है कि उन्होंने इसको एस्टेब्लिश करने में जितना भी मदद हो सके उतनी कर दी। तो अब हमें यहाँ पर हमारा एक जुडिशियल ऑफिसर है, तो हमारी ये आपसे है कि आप जितने भी एडवोकेट्स हैं।
नमस्ते, आदाब। बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है यहाँ जिला कुपवाड़ा में आपकी तहसील त्रेगाम में आने पर। मुझे जस्टिस कौल साहब ने रिक्वेस्ट करी थी कि यहाँ कोर्ट का इनॉग्रेशन होना है और जितना जल्दी हो जाए अच्छा है, क्योंकि वो कुछ दिन पहले आए थे और यहाँ वादा कर गए थे कि जल्दी ही कोर्ट बन जाएगी। इसी सिलसिले में तुरंत मैंने यहाँ छुट्टियाँ होते हुए भी मैंने यहाँ आने का प्रोग्राम बनाया और मैं यहाँ आया। बहुत मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है। मैं देख रहा हूँ कि यहाँ कश्मीर में बहुत रिमोट एरियाज में छोटी छोटी कोर्ट बना दी गई हैं, जिले से अलग तहसील। ये बहुत अच्छी एक परंपरा है, सिलसिला है, क्योंकि सब कोर्ट का एक जगह कंसंट्रेशन होना बहुत मुश्किल है। छोटी छोटी बार हैं, उनका मैनेजमेंट, उनका कार्य जो है बहुत अच्छा रहता है। फिलहाल ये कोर्ट शायद 2014 में क्रिएट हुई थी और 2014 से ये हेडक्वार्टर पे ही कार्य कर रही थी। अब ये एक टेम्परेरी बिल्डिंग आपको उपलब्ध हो गई है। इसमें कोर्ट आज से चालू हो जाएगी। जुडिशियल ऑफिसर आपके पास पहले से ही मौजूद है। तो मैं समझता हूं आपकी ये लंबी समय से पेंडिंग डिमांड आज पूरी हो रही है। यहाँ परमानेंट कोर्ट के लिए भी मुझे बताया गया है कि एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की हेल्प के द्वारा कुछ जमीन चिन्हित कर ली गई है। उसके सिलसिले में भी बहुत जल्दी ही कार्रवाई की जाएगी और यथासंभव जितना जल्दी हो सकेगा उस पे नया डीपीआर वगैरह बनवा के कोर्ट बिल्डिंग की शुरुआत कर दी जाएगी।
District Development Commissioner and other officers of district administration on this inaugural ceremony. We feel honored to have with us Your Lordship today. We had been longing for this occasion, and finally our dreams came true when after a long wait of 7 years, the Honorable Sub-Judge Court is being inaugurated today by Your Lordship. It's a proud moment for us, a moment to rejoice, a moment to celebrate, and we're highly thankful to our chief guest for providing his gracious presence to join us today to enhance our joy manifold. Our laps are wide enough to embrace Your Lordship, sir. Honorable sir, we have kept land available for the construction of court complex and hope that own building for court complex is sanctioned as Your Honorable sir already declared. In the meantime, we are thankful to Rural Development Department for providing us accommodation to make the court functional, and we assure Your Lordship that we will fulfill all the requirements as and when they arise. We extend our thanks to District Administration, 68th Mountain Brigade, Trigam, Police and other departments of BSF for providing us all kind of assistance in making this program a success.
जरूरत नहीं है।
जब तक हमारा कोर्ट बन जाता है उसके बाद
आइए बैठिए ये जो चलिए ठीक है, आप करिएगा। थैंक यू। घर घर नहीं आए थे।